Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I'm AllisonAlanna. If you're new over here, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the way in. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you all. I'm in a great mood because I got up and got off to a very good and productive start. I am up. It is 7:08 right now, and I am again just in a good mood. I just got my skincare done. My skin's all glowy and cute looking, you know, and I just feel good about the day. So I'm actually about to go ahead and start breakfast now. I'm vlogging from my camera today, so we'll see how this works out. So I was kind of doing a little bit of research on the different settings because I no longer have the manual. This camera is about 2 years old, and I barely used it, but the manual must have got destroyed or misplaced or whatever throughout the moving and things like that. So I YouTube to see like some of the settings, and I think I have it in the, what's this? Okay, so this is the 4K setting. Usually I'll put it on the automatic because I don't really know the proper settings to use. So hopefully this will be a good looking production today. Okay, so I'm gonna give myself a couple more minutes to just relax, unwind, enjoy the quiet that I'm experiencing from being up so early, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my breakfast. Okay, so I got the potatoes on the stove, and then we got the eggs over here that I'm about to get the spatula and scramble up. So I decided I'm doing eggs, potatoes, and maybe a little oatmeal, but I'm also having yogurt and blueberries. Eggs are done. Okay, so this is breakfast. Eggs, potatoes, then I just gave them a side of blueberries and yogurt. I have my hair in this weird looking bun, don't mind that. But I'm going to try to do what I should have done last night or the night before, which is take this little tail and take out August's hair. But before I start that, I'm going to come right here on my phone. And I'm going to find something for him to watch to be like a slight distraction. Let me see. Do y'all recognize this person? Isn't she awesome? Alright, so let's find... Let's see, what do August like?
Actually, I don't know because I don't watch YouTube.
Let me just let him watch Prince Family. Because we cut Gracie's out. They used to be his favorite, but I don't let them watch that no more. Let's see what they got on the Prince Family Clubhouse. They got some basketball. Thingamajig here.
Have you ever been declined for a credit card due to poor credit? Download Zelle. It's a new way to build credit and get a credit card. So
Put this in the stand for me,
payment
please.
history while building toward your credit card security deposit.
August.
As you pay into your account, your
Come on.
credit bureaus while you work to become eligible for the card. And
August.
after
These are old. Come on.
It was impossible.
Yeah, we gotta take these out and do some different braids, okay? These are old. We gotta get new ones.
Oh!
August, come on. Huh? You wanna watch Prince Family?
Bowie.
Louie?
Yeah. No, but we're watching Prince.
Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, August. Stop. Behave. Put your hands right here. I'll give you Bluey in a minute, okay? Let mommy take this out. Nope. Stop. Stop. Okay, so I have just driven around to, let me see, 2 car washes and 3 gas stations, and none of them have an air machine at work. So my 2 back tires were flat, and I was able to get some air in one of them, but then the machine just cut off on me. It didn't even fill it all the way up. Like, my tire is 35 psi. Let me make sure. Yeah, 35 psi, and I only got it to 25 on the one on my driver's side, and then the one on the passenger side is even low. It's like really low. Like, it looked worse than the driver's side one, and the machine cut off and wouldn't work. And I went around to several other locations that I just listed, and none of the air machines worked. I swiped my card, they said it was approved, and then the machine never turned on. It was telling me to select my option. The machine only gives air, so I don't know what option I would have needed to select. But that's what it was telling me to do. So with that being said, I am pretty irritated, but I'm just trying to not let this stuff get on my nerves. Like, I feel like whenever I find myself getting on a roll or something, like I feel like I got a good rhythm going with something, or I'm doing well, or, you know, I'm really motivated to get things done, it's always something that tries to come in and interfere with that, distract me, to hinder me, to block me. And it's been that way for a really, really long time. So I don't want to say that I'm used to it, but I know that these things just always come up for me. Like, there's no reason why I done rode around to that many locations and can't find an air machine. And the one that was working ended up cutting off and breaking in the middle of me using it, and didn't even fill it up to the amount of air that I needed. It's just the craziest thing ever. But we just stopped over here to grab some snacks and some drinks, and then I'm gonna go just do my best to create the rest of my content today, because I have been doing one long form video and then several other 61-second or more videos throughout the day, plus shorts, and going live when I can. So I'm really trying to push out a lot of content this month, because the more I work, the more I will reap, you know. So I'm just really trying to focus on that and not let anything distract me or just ruin the mood where I don't feel like I want to go as hard as I was planning on going, you know. So it is what it is, but I'm gonna focus today and get everything I need to get done. All right, so the boys have been having a really good time. They got some little friends they've been kicking it with, so they went out and played some soccer, some football,
Wait, no, and some basketball.
And some basketball. And we just pulled up to the grocery store to grab a couple packs of meat. I still haven't went back and restocked my thing, but I just had Aiden running there to go. Oh, my battery died already? Come on, camera. To run in there and go grab the meat. Look who got his hair taken out.
I guess. You look kind of nice.
What?
Is it? I just look kind of nice. Yeah.
That ain't what you said. You was being mean. Don't say that about him.
Why? I said what that? Hello.
Are you want to show your chips?
Flaming chips on the back. Not flaming one. Look at mom's chips, bruh.
Okay.
Got some garlic.
They saw your chips. They said, all your chips look so good. Here.
Yeah,
Here, your juice. Okay, here, back it up. Back it up. They ain't gonna be able to see if you put it right in the face. Here, hold your chips. Ooh, they said all your juice look good. Did it taste good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just got back in from the food line. Oops. Can y'all believe that they literally only had 2 packs of chicken? Literally 1 pack of breast. 1 pack of wings. And then this 1 pack of drumsticks. And that was it. That was all they had when it comes to chicken. I noticed that everything just broke out of order.
Right on this.
Not stopped. It's just been weird lately. the energy in this city has just been without lack, you know, bare minimum. But yeah, we won't be a part. We won't be a part of that. All right, so if y'all only knew what all it took to get me to come over here in this kitchen to make this dinner. Literally, I went and I lay down because somebody had did something. I can't even remember because they do 50 things per minute, literally. So someone did something and I was like, you know what? I ate my food. And I was like, you know what? Let me just lay down for 10 minutes. I just need a moment to recoup and then I'm gonna get up and cook and everything's gonna be okay. But they kept interrupting my 10-minute relaxation time. And it just ended up turning into like an hour almost. And I gave up.
I got it.
I gave up. I gave up and I decided to come on in this kitchen. Now it's after 7. Mind you, I typically like to cook around 4:30 and be done by 6:30 or whatever. Or 4 to 6. But I knew I was going to be a little bit late today because I went to the store late. And I'm thinking, okay, I could cook around 5, be done by 7. No, I'm starting at 7. So that I probably won't be done till around 9. But that's fine because my show comes on at 9:30 and I'll be done with everything by then. But I really wanted to start getting stuff done a little bit early again. So we could slowly but surely, excuse me. We could slowly but surely start getting back into our school routine because school is coming up in a couple of weeks. So yeah. So in the kitchen I go. So this is the chicken breast that I didn't. Oh, she can't even see. I'm using my camera, y'all. I need to get a tripod for this so it could be the right height and stuff. But so yeah, this is the chicken that I took out yesterday and it didn't thaw in time, so we ended up doing like a little substitute dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it tonight. I'm actually gonna cut it up and make chicken strips. So I'm gonna heat up some oil so I can kind of deep fry these. And I don't know what I'm doing for sides yet. I kind of want to do fries, but I don't know if I have potatoes left. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and get them prepped.
Bottle already gone?
So I decided I'm going to do some. Can y'all be quiet, please? So I decided I'm going to, I don't know if I said this already, but do some chicken breast. And I'm going deep fry them so they can be nice and crispy. Chicken is all washed and cut up. I don't know why all of this stuff is on this table. Hold on one second, alright? Alright. So I just chopped up my chicken breast. I'm about to season that up now. My only issue is this is all the flour that I have. It's so little. I do have another bag though in the cabinet, but I was saving that for one of my experiments that I wanted to do when I got to feeling creative. So I'm gonna try to go with this little bit and then just add some cornstarch in because I want it to be a little crispy anyway. So we're gonna see. But like I said, I do have this. I don't know why this is there. This backup pack that I was saving for one of my experiments, but I might have to end up opening it up, so we'll see. Alright, so this is the progress I've made so far with my chicken strips. This first batch is pretty much done. Like I said, I did add the cornstarch in here so that it can have a nice crispy texture. I would prefer a little bit more crisp. I like mine fried hard because I like to put a lot of sauce on. But I guess this is kind of okay because I'm not going to be using my garlic parmesan sauce. I'm just going to have ranch. So this will probably work out just fine. So dinner is just about done. I've got 8 minutes left on my timer for the rice. So let me tell you what we went with. We went with rice and corn because last time I made broccoli and I gave him a choice. So Aiden wanted broccoli again because he loves the way I do my broccoli, and then Ace wanted corn. So I said, well, since I made broccoli last time, I give Ace his pick, which was corn. So we did that, and then being as though I didn't have the ingredients for the garlic parmesan sauce, and honestly I really wasn't thinking of garlic parmesan. I was okay with them being plain, but I feel like they are kind of missing something when I put the ranch dressing on them. Excuse me, my allergies are just, I step at the wrong time. But yeah, so I decided to put some barbecue sauce on one just to try to see how I like it with the ranch dressing. Of course it was good. So that's how I'm gonna eat mine. And whoever wants theirs plain could go plain, and whoever wants theirs barbecue can also barbecue. Ugh.
Wi-Fi.
They having a gigantic straw fight. The straws are so big they literally could use them as swords. I will show y'all, but a lot of y'all are weird, so. Alright, here's dinner with my homemade thick and nice ranch. Chicken strips, corn and rice. And it wouldn't be right if we didn't show August's food, because no vlog is complete without showing August's meal and his Capri Sun. Ace's meal, Aiden's meal. Say toodles. Open you this bra.
Yeah.
Say please.
Yeah.
There you go.